Hello everybody, guess where we're at? We're at Mount Baldy, top of the north, for lunch. Let's go!
That'd probably be like $83.
Hot cocoa. The other one don't. That's just not. This is very simple. Okay, so we have your grilled chicken, bacon blue, strips and fries. Would you care for? We had ketchup. Would you ranch or barbecue sauce?
Barbecue sauce.
Barbecue sauce, okay.
Thank you.
Guys, there you
Thank
go.
you.
Enjoy. Do you need a tray?
Oh yeah, that'd be nice. Yeah, right. All right, thank you. Thank you. Look, get the ketchup. Here. What do we have?
Chicken tender.
Grilled chicken sandwich and blue bacon hamburger.
Is there blue bacon?
Blue cheese bacon hamburger. It's called blue bacon hamburger. And this is potato salad and potato salad. French fry. Well, let's try this. See how good it is. I can get this soda. And how's it go? Oh. Hey, it's pretty good. One way you can tell, but it's pretty good. A good chicken tender should never be overcooked. Should have a little bit of juicy and tender. And chicken tender.
Thank you.
Cheers. Good chicken tender.
Lucas, what do you have right there? Hot chocolate. Hot chocolate. Is that good?
So we are at the elevation of 7,800 feet. And it's the highest, not one of the most, but it's the highest elevation restaurant in Los Angeles County. 7,800 feet. There is no other tallest, higher restaurant than this one. We're gonna dissect the hamburger and see what's in the hamburger. So this is a grilled chicken sandwich. Grilled chicken, white cheese, onion, tomato. And the hamburger, blue bacon hamburger, have blue cheese, bacon, meat patty, onion, tomato. Let's eat, everybody.
How's the hamburger?
Excellent. I love it. Melt. Meat is very soft, tasty, grilled cheese, not grilled cheese, blue cheese, and it's delicious. I recommend everybody should come try it out. The highest elevation restaurant in LA County.
I recommend everybody try this lettuce. It's really good. And the chicken.
Look at how is a good chicken sandwich.
Oh, bo, 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 bo.
You mean?
Cluck, 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 cluck.
You mean?
Yeah, you forgot the potato salad.
Oh, good idea. Let's take a look at the potato salad. Potato salad.
How's taste?
Excellent. So Lucas, how much would you rate this restaurant? I would give it a 9 out of 10.
I would give it a 9.5 out of 10.
If I would eat inside, much more warmer, it would be 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
But it's so cold right now. I'll give it 9 out of 10. Where's my heater? Heater. If you have a heater right here, it would be 10 out of 10. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.